Frustum. Let's do it the easier way. So if you're taught to find the frustum, the volume of the frustum, what you need to keep in mind is that a frustum is always coming from a cone. Together, right? It's always coming from where? From a cone. So if you have to find the volume of this frustum, take note that you just need to find the volume of two cones, then subtract them. But where are you getting those cones? If you extend this, okay, if you extend it like up like there, you see that they are meeting somewhere. Where they are meeting there, they are forming a cone on top there. Okay, they are forming a cone on top, and that cone is our first cone, whose base is actually 20 centimeters. Then the larger cone is the one coming from up there all the way to down there. The larger cone is coming all the way from up there to down, whose radius, that one, is 40 centimeters. And the height of the smaller cone is actually, we call it x. And the height of the larger cone is actually x plus 60. Because if we extend this one as well, I can take as x. So this one will be 60 plus x. Then we use the concept of proportional to solve for x. That's all. How does the concept of proportional help us solve it? So we are going to say, let the heights, okay, these heights, so the x and 20, or you can just relate the heights themselves. The answer will still be the same. If you want, you can get x and 20, you relate to 60 plus x and 40. Or you can get x and 60 plus x, you relate them together, then 20 and 40, relate them together. It's also the same. If I get this and x, all these are heights, I'm going to relate them together. And I'm also going to relate their radii. So 20 and 40. I know 20 and 40, that's just half. 60 plus x giving me half. Crossing multiply, this will give me 60 plus x is equal to 2x. If I take this side, I'm getting x as 60 centimeters. So x is 60 centimeters. If x is 60 centimeters, what does that mean about the larger, bigger cone? It means the all of this changes from 60 to 120, because pachapali x tifakapo 60. Akapanje kachinja from x kankanaka 60. What you need to do is that now find the volumes of each of the frustum. Remember that the difference in the volume is to give you the volume of a frustum. So volume of a frustum is equal to volume of the larger cone minus the volume of the smaller cone. In this case, h is just x coming from here, and the capital H is 120, which we can easily factorize. We can factor out this. We remain with r squared h, r squared h. Putting everything together, our pi will be 3.142. Our capital R is the bigger R here, which is 40. So we put 40 squared. Then that 40 squared is being multiplied by what? H. Capital H is 120. Minus small letter r is 20. And that one is being multiplied by small letter h, which is 60. Then the rest is just punching on the calculator. Let's do that. Okay, so volume of the frustum is giving me if I punched properly, 175,952.2 cubic centimeters.